Hey fam, it's your boy Mr. Wishart here, my man Mr. B. He's in the background messing with some 3D printed thing. Hey guys, what's up?
It's just me.
I'm not going to go over the warm-up in my videos because that's what you got to come to class for. Anyway, let me zoom this in here. Alright, we're going to graph this trapezoid or triangle here. When you're graphing points, you always start in the middle. I'm going to put my little guide right here. I got quadrant 1. Both your x and y are going to be positive. Quadrant 2, x will be negative, y will be positive. Quadrant 3, both x and y are negative. And quadrant 4, positive and negative. So that means that I know that s is going to be negative and positive, so it's going to be, and it's going to end up in quadrant 2 here. But I always start at the center. I'm going to go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up 2. That's going to be s. 5, negative 1 is going to be down here. So I go over 5, 2, 4, 5, down 1. So that's t, and then negative 2, negative 2 is going to be here in quadrant 3. That's t. I'm using my protractor to make sure my lines are straight. Now I'm going to translate this left 1 and down 5. I don't like to use tracing paper for this because it tends to get off. I just like to count it out when I do translation, so I'm going to go left 1 and down 5 for each point. Left 1 and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's S prime. Make sure you're using your prime notation so that we can tell the new one from the old one. So left 1 and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. T prime. Oops, that's actually a U, not T prime. T, left 1 and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have our new shape, our image here from our pre-image here, and you'll notice that they are the same shape and the same size as, there you go. Yep, cool. All right. Calculate ABCD. 3 vertices or 4 vertices, plus plus, negative plus, negative negative, plus negative. So it's going to be in quadrant 2, left 3, up 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's A. Did it work? B is at 0, 7. That 0 means I don't go left or right, I just go up 7. B, C is right 1, up 4. You'll notice both are positive, so it ends up here. That's C, and then D is left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 2. Is it not working?
Not very good.
Yeah.
Just not enough power. To get it to fly, you need a little bit more spin, and I don't know if it's just that you clean the print well enough or what.
All right, now I'm going to take this. I'm going to go right 4, down 1. A is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, so it's going to kind of overlap there at A prime. B will go right 4, 1, 2, 3, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, B prime. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, C prime, and then D, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, D prime. Okay, slow this down if it's too fast, speed it up if it's too slow. Oop. There we go. Alright, let's see here. Erase that a little bit. And we should have these two shapes very, very similar to each other. Should be pretty much the exact same, or as close as I can get with my non-robot hands. So we have here, what is the rule, basically what happened after a translation. I got to figure out that this is the original, this is the new one. I know this is the new one, or the image with the prime notation, those little apostrophes. So I just count. I know it's going right and up, and I just counted out from D to D prime, E to E prime, or F to F prime. Do not go from different points, right? Don't go to E to D prime, just because they don't match up. So I go right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right. And then I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 4, I can also write it like this, x plus 7, y plus 4. Either of those are valid ways to write the rule. And now I've got to figure out, and so many people thought that this was the original here. This is the image. I don't know why. Maybe they overlap each other. I'm going to go from P to P prime. I'm going to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 2. So go left 4, up 2. I can also say x minus 4y plus 2. That's another valid way to write that. Let me make sure that's all on there. Yeah. Okay, I'm going through this real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. We're going to do reflections here. I got -5, -2. Make sure it's all on there. Yep. Okay. Okay, cool. Left 5, down 2, starting at the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's F. And then -2. -2 is right here at G. No, not G prime, just G. H is 0, -6. 2, 4, 6. Stay on that center line. That y-axis, and then left 8 and down 6, so basically all the way to the grid, or the end of the grid, and then 2, 4, 6. That's I right there. Okay, now, if I'm going to use my tracing paper, right, I'm going to